In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add taxes in Squarespace. Whether you're setting this up for the first time or switching from manual tax rates, this guide will walk you through the necessary steps to ensure your taxes are configured correctly on your Squarespace site. First, let's head over to your Squarespace dashboard. Once you're inside, navigate to the Settings section and look for the option labeled Taxes. This is your starting point for managing all your tax-related settings on Squarespace. If you've been using manual tax rates up until now, you'll need to switch over to the automated tax system. This automated approach is designed to streamline the process by handling most of the heavy lifting for you. To do this, simply click on the option to switch to automated tax. If you haven't set up taxes yet, you'll see a prompt inviting you to choose the automated option. Select it to proceed. Now that you've chosen the automated route, you'll need to enter your business details. Squarespace will guide you through the process by providing prompts to help you input either your business or individual information accurately. This step is crucial as it ensures that the tax settings are customized to your specific needs and obligations. Next, it's time to address the tax defaults by adding your tax address. Under Tax Defaults, you'll see an option to Add next to tax address. Click on that. Here, you'll need to enter the physical address that your business is registered under for tax purposes. Once you've carefully entered this information, be sure to click Save to store these details in your Squarespace account. Continuing on, we'll look at assigning a product tax code. This feature enables you to define how each of your products is taxed based on the category or type. Begin by clicking Add Tax Code. You'll be presented with a drop-down menu from which you can select a default product tax code. Pick the one that best matches your standard product offerings, and once satisfied, click Save. Lastly, it's time to add your tax registrations. This means informing Squarespace about the locations where you're registered to collect taxes and the types of registration you hold for each location. To do this, locate the option to Add Registrations. You will see a list of regions or states where you might need to collect tax. Select the ones that apply to your business. Additionally, you may need to specify the type of tax registration applicable for each chosen location. After selecting these details carefully, finalize this step by clicking Save. And there you have it. Your taxes are now configured on Squarespace. Following these steps will help ensure that your business remains compliant with tax regulations and that you can focus more on what you love, running your business. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tips and detailed walkthroughs. Until next time, happy creating.